Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another journaling on a budget video. And today we're going to make the flat bags with the gusset. So these are like, I see everybody, they get these little flat bags, you know, where they don't have the big fat bottom. And I never go anywhere where I get those kind of bags. And I think they're really cool. So I wanted some, and so I decided to make my own. And they're so simple. So, and like I said, they have the gusset in them, but they're flat at the bottom. You know, they kind of open up like that. But the gusset gives us extra room to play with. So I'm sure somebody's probably done this before, but I bought these bags when I went to Sam's Club, and I always call them like candy bags because when we were little, you'd go to the store and you'd buy penny candy, and they would everybody got their own individual little bag. So, but what we're going to do is this will work with any size bag, you know, that has this big bottom on it that you don't want to use that whole thing. And here is the difficult part. You just make this, you know, open up this flat bottom part, and then you just cut it off. So now you've got rid of that bottom part. And this is the front. It's got the little scoop in it. The back has got the place where it's folded over. So you're just going to fold it up about a ½ inch or so. And then take the front piece and pull it out a little bit. Snip it at the fold on both sides like that, so that you've got this piece right here and the front piece is now loose. And then we're going to just cut this off just so that we don't have that bulk. Just like that. Oh, I nicked off a little bit there, but that's okay. And then we're just going to go ahead and cut off the corners. You can round the corners. You can do whatever you'd like with those. Put a little bit of glue on the flat. Fold it up. And there we go. Now you have one of those bags that have the little flat bottom on them like that. And you can decorate it up any way you want to. I was sitting in my chair and I did some of them with just some distressed book pages. And this one I put it on the back instead of the front on accident. And then this one I did the distressed book pages, and this is a picture out of a Reader's Digest book. And this is a picture out of a bird book that I got that I'm using in my journaling. And again, they just have that nice little flat bottom, but I do like the fact that the gusset gives you extra room. This one, I went ahead and I distressed around the edges of the flap and along here and everything before I glued it down. So because here you can kind of see that little flap on the bottom, but on here, you really can't see it. And so I just kind of wanted that to stand out a little bit, so I distressed it before I glued it down. So that is, again, just how simple it is. I really had fun with these. This one, because on the front, all these bags have this, it says Duro 2 and 100% recycled paper. And of course, I thought that was ugly and I really didn't like it. But I got to looking at it and I thought that would look really cool incorporated into a black background. So I left it there. I put this like little, I had some stamps that look like drips. So that's, and I used just stays on, and a little face stamp and a railroad stamp, and just, you know, blackened it up a little bit, put some, you know, black stamping on it. And I thought those turned out really cool, like the bags that everybody gets with the black pictures on them and the craft paper color. And so I thought those were cool too. So that's what you can do with whenever you get a little bag and you want a flat bag, just cut the bottom off. If you want to make, you know, you can use sandwich bags. It would just make them a little bit bigger, which would also be really cool. So thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have fun with this quick and easy project that you can use in your journals. And I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.